Hey, y'all. My tickle box is turned over. Because I was chopping this garlic and Eddie was just sitting there looking at me. I said, you want to film this, Eddie? He said, no, I think I'm just going to sit here and watch today. And that tickled me. So he decided no, he was going to film it. Hey, Lulu. So for the next few videos, I'm going to be preparing things that people are calling a one sheet pan meal, because I know all of y'all are probably so time sensitive to everything that you have to do. So I'm going to share a few of these recipes with you that are so easy and actually healthy and good for you. Something you would want to feed your children. So I've got a couple of pounds of broccoli, maybe 1.5 pounds of broccoli. And I've got my sheet pan. I tell you what, I think I want to spray this just in case. Just in case it wants to stick. But I'm going to just put my raw broccoli. Now, if you like your broccoli real soft, you could always blanch this first, but we're trying to make this meal as quick and easy as we can. And I'm surprised, but a lot of children actually like broccoli, which is, you know, if you can get them to eat anything green, it's a good thing, right? Okay, so we're going to spread our cherry tomatoes that we've sliced in two. Oh, I would love to have shown them the trick to slicing cherry tomatoes. Remind me the next time we have to have a lot sliced, Teresa. Remind me that I want to show people a quick way to get that done. Did our camera quit again, Eddie?
I have a lens cover.
Uh-huh.
And it slipped down.
Oh, okay. So it wasn't on the thing from the start, was it?
No.
You know, that reminds me of a story. I hope y'all ever don't get tired of my stories, because I've lived long enough to have some stories. But when Jimmy and I got married in 1965, my daddy was really not in good health. And he was getting ready to go to Emory for surgery. And Daddy said, Blue, I can give you a decent wedding, or I can get you a stove and refrigerator. I said, I'll take the stove and refrigerator, Daddy. So I said, we'll have pictures, you know, that we can look back on. Well, my Uncle George, Aunt Peggy's husband, said that he would take all the pictures of the wedding. And my family and I just went down after church service. Reverend Perry Webb married us. All right, I'm tossing this with some olive oil, y'all. And then I'm going to shake it around, try to get it all covered. But anyway, Uncle George said, I'll take the wedding pictures so you won't have that expense. And we said, oh gosh, that's wonderful. That's wonderful, Uncle George. Well, so he took all the pictures. We had a little reception at Mom and Daddy's house, which was also my house. All right, I'm going to put this in a single layer, y'all. So Uncle George went to have the film developed. He had forgot to take the lens cap off. Every picture was just a black sheet of paper. So I don't have, and that's not, we didn't have cell phones back then with cameras. So, I mean, not one picture of anything. That should have told me something right then. Don't y'all think? That should have said something to me. All right, so we're going to put this in the oven. I'm going to salt and pepper it. But I got to wash my hands first. I'm going to salt and pepper this, and I'm going to cook it for about 10 minutes. And then I'm going to make room for some salmon fillets. And I've got, well, come on, Paula, think of it.
Pesto?
Yes, thank you. One of those easy P words. I've got some pesto right here, and I'm going to put that on top of each salmon piece. You know, if for some reason you don't like pesto, that's all right. Just put pat of garlic butter or something like that on it, whatever you like. But I'm going to wash my hands, get that in a 350 degree oven, I think. No, 425. So it's going to go into a pretty hot oven for 10 minutes. Then we're going to pull it out, work the fillets in there, and cook it for 10 more minutes. All right. A little salt and pepper. Now, you know, you can add anything you want to this. If you like onions or bell pepper or cauliflower, you know, whatever you want. But the thing is, you're trying to get a quick, healthy, one pot, one sheet pan meal. 10 minutes. Look, y'all. Looks good. I just got to make, ouch. I just got to make sure that tinfoil is good underneath there. So 10 minutes at 450. Now I'm going to make a little room for our salmon fillets. I'm just going to kind of nestle them in all this broccoli and tomatoes. Ooh, this is so pretty. So pretty. Ouch. Now, some people like their salmon. I salt and peppered our salmon a little bit. Some people like their salmon well done. I kind of like mine what I call a medium. You know, maybe just a little pink in. All right, so I'm going to spray this with some more olive oil. Just using the spray. And now I'm going to take our pesto and I'm going to put a dollop on each one of these fillets. And like I said, if you don't like pesto, just use some garlic butter. Ten more minutes, y'all. 10 more minutes. And then just a little bit of pure olive oil on the fillet. But I have found that the absolute best salmon that I've ever cooked, I cook in the air fryer. Like 7 minutes. It's beautifully perfect. But we're going to do this for like 10 minutes. My cousin George is here, Aunt Peggy's oldest son. Look what I have for y'all's lunch.
Oh, Paula, I'm ready.
I know it.
I'm especially ready.
And I know you're trying to watch stuff.
I am trying to watch my diet. I'm going to watch that first.
Would you like for me to go ahead and fix your plate? Or do you want to wait and eat with your mother?
Let's get my mother. When she's back.
Well, she's not going to eat for a while now.
Oh, she's not?
No.
Well, am I the official tester?
Well, you can be, and I would love it.
You need to get moving on that.
I would love it for you to be my official taster. All right, here we go.
That's delicious.
Mm.
The pesto is really good.
Mm. Pesto has never been one of my favorites. but it's delicious on that salmon.
You know, Kelly and I were talking about pesto the other day.
Mm-hmm.
Pesto is not one of my favorites either, but I eat it. But then she said, George, I don't know why you say that because you like everything that's in pesto.
Uh-huh.
And I do. I like every
I
single
do
thing
too.
that goes into it.
I do too. But, broccoli's good.
It's delicious.
I'm so glad you like it because it was so easy for me to make. And that's what we're after, y'all. Loving Best Dishes. Like I said, some more one tray meals are coming up.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.